Nurses viva! Viva! Viva Nurses viva! Viva! Solidarity! Viva! My name is Kennedy Amisi. I'm the Secretary for the Kenya National Union of Nurses, Siaya branch. We are here today. This is day 49 since our strike began. And it's ongoing. We don't know when it will end. So we are again here at the employer's compound requesting that they implement our issues, the grievances that we brought forth on the table, so that our nurses can resume their duties. It is also surprising that while demonstrating so that our issues can be implemented, the employer has resorted to intimidations. There is some time back, we were beaten here with guns. And again, on Friday, the employer decided to take us to court over issues that they are much aware of. They should only implement our issues so that we can resume our duties. But our members here have advised us. We have remained resilient. We are very strong, and we are going to face the employer when we go there in the Employment and Labor Relations Court at Kisumu. So we want to call upon the employer, much as there are also intimidations that are ongoing. Can they implement our issues so that we can have permanent resolution of these issues that will see nurses resuming their duties? The community is suffering, patients are suffering, and the county government is also suffering in terms of low revenue. So let them consider this issue very serious. Thank you. They've taken us to court in argument that we are offering essential services, that we should not be on strike. So we ask ourselves, why then did they come into an agreement with our union so that we can always agitate for our rights? We are agitating for our rights because we have got an agreement with the county government of Siaya, with the Kenya National Union of Nurses and Midwives, countrywide. There are a number of issues that they are trying to convince the court to consider our strike illegal. Our strike is not illegal because we've done all the necessary legal requirements until when we reached resolve to go for strike. We started with conciliation at the Ministry of Labor, Siaya branch. There we did not come into agreement, and the conciliator gave us a dispute and resolved certificate. We then gave a strike notice, came here, we negotiated with the employer. We never came into agreement. Then we went for our first strike in August. We made agreements and we decided to suspend our strike with 30 days, being that it is the employer who requested us to give them 30 days for them to implement our issues. They did not. Then we gave them a strike notice of 7 days. That is why we are out up today. The employer is not serious. When they come to negotiation table, they do not bring tangible issues. They want to deal with us with proxies. They want to give us funny promises which are not realistic. They do not want to commit themselves in resolving our issues. So that is why our members told us to stay put through the blessing of our national office until our issues are implemented fully. Thank you.
I'm a nurse in Siaya. My name is Kennedy Siga. I'm a nurse in Siaya County. It is right at the gate of the employer here where I was assaulted by goons. I still bear the brand of an assault of the goons right at the gate of the employer. As if that is not enough for the employer, instead of calling me to sort my issues, is taking me to court through my union that I'm an essential worker. An essential worker that is not able to get these services is not an essential worker. We want nurses that are motivated, nurses that offer services when they're smiling with the patients, because we know that is also a therapy that we are supposed to give our patients. So we are pleading with the governor of Siaya, Senior Counsel James Orengo. We know your history. This is not your color. This is not your color. James Orengo, come out. Give us your true colors. You are a fighter of this nation. It cannot be that in your own county, your own nurses that you employed as a government are being assaulted. Then the county attorney takes us to court. We are asking you, please, boss, Bwana Governor, come out, address us, pay us. we want to serve people of Siaya. They are not able to afford the services being offered in our private facilities.